Welcome back. Time 7:13. News 5 continuing our Fraud Fighters segment. We talk about scams and frauds that are out there, how you can fight them as well. Joining us this morning is Jamie Harding with AARP Alabama. Now, I talked to her over Zoom last week. The hottest shot in town is the coronavirus vaccine, but with so many people interested in it and with seniors one of the first priority groups to get it, scammers are using the promise of a vaccine to steal your money. First, let's talk about the rollout and how to legitimately know when and where you can get vaccinated.
Information you can really trust is by going to either your local county health department, calling them or contacting them on their website, or also you can get that information from alabamapublichealth.gov, which is the state health department website. They have a plan for rolling out the vaccine. Right now, they are in the midst of their very first high priority group, which is frontline healthcare workers, those who are treating COVID patients, and nursing home residents.
We should also point out that there is no way to buy your way onto a priority list. Talk to me about that scam.
Right, yeah. There are some scammers that are calling, texting, sending an email claiming that you can pay a fee and get to the top of the list. This is a scam. There is no way that you can do that. Right now, the rollout is happening in a very orderly fashion in terms of who's being prioritized. So you cannot get onto the priority list by paying your way.
What about in terms of if people are asked to pay for a vaccine? How do you know that might be fraudulent?
Well, first of all, the vaccine is being paid for by the federal government. So the injection, the actual vials themselves are free. The vaccine is free. Administering the vaccine may involve a small fee from the provider who is giving you this vaccine when you get it. So you may have to pay through your insurance for that administering of the vaccine, but the vaccine itself is free. Anyone who tells you you have to pay for the vaccine is scamming you.
What about notifications you might get on social media about trying to get the vaccine? What do you need to watch for there?
Very much you got to watch out for anything that comes up on social media. That is going to be a scam. There are no there's no solicitation through social media or through text messages or through phone calls. So anybody who, anything you see on social media that claims you can register or anything like that, unless it's coming directly from your county Department of Health or the Alabama Department of Health, it's a scam.
Also, we've got to watch out for people claiming to be with insurance companies or claiming to be with Medicare, asking for your personal information.
Right. This is another way that fraud can occur. If somebody calls you saying they're going to register you for the vaccine or put you on a list for the vaccine, but they need your Social Security number or they need your Medicare information to do so, that is also a scam. They can obviously use your Social Security number to assume your identity. They can use your Medicare information to make fraudulent charges to your Medicare account. So don't give any of that information out over the phone unless you're 100% sure you know who you're talking to.
Now, meteorologist Colleen Peterson